If you've seen our previous videos, you'll know we've come to the end of our Greek island hopping adventure, and now we've arrived in Turkey. Over the next two videos, we'll show you around the city of Kusadasi. We've arrived safely in Turkey. Kusadasi. Came over from Samos on the ferry. This is our hotel up on the hill. I need to tell you something. We almost didn't make it here. I'll explain more about that in the video in just a moment. But because I wasn't feeling 100%, we'd only planned a gentle stroll along the Kusadasi waterfront as far as Pigeon Island, which you can see in this shot. But as the morning went on, I started to feel better, and we slowly made our way up a nearby hill in search of a view. I'm sure you won't see this in most YouTube videos. Silly people walking up the hill behind Kusadasi to look at the view. I'm sure any sensible person would probably take a taxi or a dolmus. But we were nearby, so we carried on walking. Okay, I'm not sure you want me to share this with you, but I'm going to anyway. So it's pretty amazing, good that I'm walking up here today, because yesterday we spent a couple of 3 hours at the hospital in Samos. I woke up with a very sore, let's just say, lower male part area, and I managed to walk with Sarah to the hospital. It wasn't too far, and we'd been past it the day before going to the beach, so we knew where it was. Got checked out by a doctor, found out I had some sort of infection that needs antibiotics, so hopefully nothing too serious. And later in the day it felt much better when we walked to the ferry, and today it was very sore again this morning, but having now been out for a walk, it's feeling better again, so maybe walking's good for it. Anyway, that's the health update. A rather scary morning yesterday morning that we didn't film for obvious reasons. But yeah, we managed to catch our ferry later in the day and made our way to Kusadasi in Turkey. We're here for 3 nights, and then we're moving on again to another place in Turkey. Alright, I'll show you the view in a second. So I'm pretty sure this is the Atatürk Memorial sculpture that sits on the hill behind Kusadasi. I'll double check that I'm right in a little while. Of course, Atatürk is, we've got memorial sculptures to him in New Zealand, actually, off the edge of Wellington Harbour, the capital of New Zealand. I think this is going to be a very good view. Yeah, look at that. It was worth the walk. Yeah, anyway, so due to the relationship between Turkey and New Zealand, going back to World War I in Anzac Cove, or they call it Anzac Cove now, at Gallipoli in Turkey, where the New Zealand soldiers fought the Turks. There's a great respect for the two countries, which is pretty amazing. So yeah, we've got memorials to the Turkish leader that was, I guess he was the head of the army or the country at that stage. I don't know my history that well. 4 big cruise ships in today, so there'll be a lot of people in the city. And we're going to go out to that island maybe tomorrow. Forgotten the name of it now. I'll put it on the screen. Our way back down turned very steep, but rough. Okay, so we've stopped just down below the hotel for lunch, and we've got a chicken durum, or some people call it chicken wrap, and quite a nice little spot to sit looking down the street. The red line here shows where we walked this morning, and the blue line marks the route we took to find a lovely family-run restaurant for dinner. You yeah, you do. Yeah. Oh, that was my fault.
Yeah. No, my mom's fault.
I distracted her.
Bizimkinden de beter oldu.
Ne yapacağız onu?
Tell her it will taste the same.
She will do new one.
Ah.
Now it's broken.
Sometimes it breaks. Yeah. She wasn't happy. She did another one. She wasn't happy with that first one. This one's not broken. Oh, look at that. Here's the finished product. Yum. Oh, it's very hot. Delicious. Just on our way back to the hotel after a very lovely dinner. A little local cafe that Sarah found in a blog online, run by her mum, and her son's there while he's on holiday from his job.